Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back with another video today. And today I am unbelievably lucky. And I will be explaining that during today's video. But before I get into it, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. Alright guys, so getting into the video, talking about my portfolio today. I'm making this video a little early today, but I'm just super excited to show you guys. It was extremely out of hand. I decided to take a position on Iron Condor on Microsoft, and it was before it went up. I think it was right around 1 o'clock or 12:30. I took a position, and my max, the highest I wanted to go was $120. And so I saw that I was reaching that point, and it didn't have any signs of stopping. So I decided to sell one part of my contract, one part of my Iron Condor, which was right here. Let's see. It was the call. I bought my call. It's hard to explain, but nonetheless, I somehow managed to pull out of this huge hole mostly because of one call that I had on Microsoft right here. It went up by a whopping 1,000%. That is absolutely crazy. At least in my opinion, that's crazy. And I was down on the day around 13-14%. And now I'm only down 2.8%, which is a huge save. I wouldn't expect this to happen, and just because, dang, I sold that one part of my option, my portfolio would have been around even, and I would have still been down like 15%. But for those who are really good at options and those options, smart people, people who are experienced in options, can you please put down in the comment section below, do you think that this will hold up tomorrow, or do you think all the Greeks of this option right here, like the gamma, will make this almost useless, that I held it overnight, and that I'll probably be back down the 15%. So put that down in the comments below, because I still am not the most experienced at options, and I'd really like to have some insight and some helpful information really quick. So I'd really appreciate if you guys could help me out with that. So other than that, man, it was such a crazy day, super emotional, and I have to admit, I had FOMO, fear of missing out, but the only thing that I did do is buy this Iron Condor, and I ended up making the margins a little smaller than I usually do, which led to my loss today. I also decided, alright, getting on to the next part, I also did buy drip, and it broke below my support, so I just cut my losses, and that was one day trade, and then the other day trade was selling this option, so I have no more day trades left for like a really long time. I think it's like 3 or 4 days I can't day trade anymore, so right now I just have to hold these options overnight, and we'll just see how it goes. I have no other option. I mean, oh, by the way, that was a funny pun. Ha ha ha. So, alright, let me get back to drip, because I've been talking too much about these options, but to me, it's freaking crazy, alright? Alright? It's crazy. No profanity in this channel, alright? So getting back to drip, I don't know why I can't find it. Drip. Right here. I was planning to buy some TQQQ, but the market's up so much, and I want to buy on a pullback. And yet it just keeps going up and up and up. But I wanted to be patient and get in at actually a good price, and not just get in because of emotions and FOMO. So drip right here, I sold at around 9.18, so not much from where the prices are at right now. And it was also a pretty volatile day on this one too. I did lose like 3 or 4% on this one. I think I cut my losses at around 3.5%. And I wanted just to get rid of it because I thought it was going to bounce back from the support, but right now it keeps trending down. So I'm just going to patiently wait until there's at least a full day of this trending up, or maybe even 2 days of drip trending up, and then I'll get onto it. So there's a confirmation of the reversal, and it goes over the EMA line and all that stuff, and I want to have it confirmed. Alright guys, so that was just going to be basically it for today's update really quickly, and I'll be opening my free stocks tomorrow. So make sure to stay tuned for that. I hope that's going to be super exciting. We might get some Apple stocks, or even Berkshire Hathaway. Who knows? So I'm really excited for that. I hope you guys are also. And we'll just do that in tomorrow's video. But I'm going to be doing a separate video. I'm sorry that I'm making this a little bit long. I'm going to be doing a separate video on Instagram, my growth on Instagram, maybe later today. Well, for sure later today. And it's going to be like 2 separate videos from now on, because if they're crunched in together, it's not really the best. I like to make videos about one certain thing, not just keep switching off. So I'm going to make separate videos. If you guys if you guys don't want me to make Instagram videos, then just let me know, and I don't have to do them. I just thought it would interest you guys more. But this day, alright, I'm concluding my concluding statement. This day was absolutely crazy. And I really hope that tomorrow in the morning we can sell for at least a break-even price, if not lose maximum $5. And tomorrow we'll be opening free stocks, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And that's just going to be it for today's video. And one last thing, sorry that I keep saying one last thing, but this literally last thing, I have a Discord server where there's a bunch of like-minded individuals where they like to trade stocks, people who are interested in stocks in general. Everyone's super kind. If you ask any questions, they'll for sure answer, and I will answer personally myself if you'd like. So I'll put the link to that in the description. It's all about stocks. You can also talk off topic, anything about basically making money, especially stocks. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.